2 minutes.
Put here better. Ah, this
Yes.
also put here better. No need to wait.
Oh, dami niya, no? Extra. See, they have people there. Eight hectare?
No, 8.
8. See, 8 hectare. O yan. Yan, irrigation yan ha. O yan ang susupply ng tubig. Kaya alam niya ang area. 8 hectare. Sabi ko noon 7.5 to 8 hectare. O, tumama rin, kalahati. 8 hectare yan. Ayan. Oh, dito naman kami, dito naman. Oh, ayan, medyo mababa rito. Medyo mababa. Doon kasi mataas eh. Maybe 1.5 meter. Here only 1 meter. Saan kaya si Mo? Saan si Mo? Yan ang aking regular partner.
Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Ayos ba? Yung trabaho rito, harvesting flower.
Shake it, baby.
Maybe 1 hour harvesting today. See? After there another span. The center span. Oh, this also. But this reduced flower. Maybe 30% only. Every day harvest the flower, so this flower will be reduced. This is the portion. Too much bad grass, huh? Yesterday they have this machine cutting
They're checking.
grass cutter. They have yesterday coming protocol. I see there wheel one.
All area around it.
Huh?
After coming here.
What is protocol or only protocol? South? Or protocol from
That's it.
Riyadh? I see there wheel one.
Yeah, well, also coming here. Rose garden also coming.
Here factory? You checking this factory?
Only checking. Take the
Rose. What time? Okay, up to 10:15 yesterday. What time coming here? This protocol? Afternoon?
oh yes, 12 o'clock. 11.
Ah. Seven. Natin 8 minutes. Ito marami itong bad grass. Ayun, yung bagin. Ayun, itong mga bagin to. Ayan. Isturbo sa flow. Ano yung bulaklak. Ayan. So, salubog na. Partner ko. Nasa kabilang linya siya. Kabilang lane. Ayun. Mahaba yan eh. Oh. Siguro mga nasa 25 meter isang linya. Kabila siya, hindi abutin eh. Maya na uli. Center. Center span. This is my original sadik. See? My original sadik.
Ialim, walo.
Yun, may partner there. Andun. There may partner.
Iya.
Wen, hina.
Hina.
Ha?
Oh, hina.
Oh, dito raw, dito.
Same plastic ya. Plastic ya. Flower set.
Itong linyang ito, reduce na ito. Mga 30% na lang to.
इसका fertilizer नहीं है इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है.
Ano yan, mga Bangladesh yan. Yan ang original dito, mga landscaping. Ayan. Mga landscaping yan.
Oh, video ah? Bangladesh itu bang.
Ay, Bangladesh.
Made in Bang.
Ayan. Sinalubong na. Sinalubong na kasi patapos na eh. Sinalubong na. Dito na yung partner ko. Gagayang salubungan na ang tao, ibig sabihin naglalas na yung kanyang ano, last harvest of the rain. Okay. Kaya may honey. Yalla. Okay. This week finish. Ano na sila? Doon na sila sa factory yung iba. Here, no people coming? Yesterday they have people surrounding this lane. One only people. Ada Jawal please. Yalla. Uwi na. Tapos na ang pitasan. April 1. Pitasan. Oh, yan yung aming agriculture engineer. Yan. Agriculture engineer. Okay. Hanggang dito na lang po muli. Comment, subscribe, share, and check. Post the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Dito na yung service namin eh. Nakatutok na. Comment, subscribe, share, and check. Post the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Dito na yung service namin eh. Nakatutok na.